Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect external hard drive to your Android phone. So let's get started. So this is my hard drive that I have here. I'm going to connect it to my Android phone. First thing is you need to figure out what kind of connections you have. So this one, for example, has a USB-C, and this one also has a USB-C. So I need a cable that's USB-C to USB-C. Now, if you have one that's a USB-A, you need to get a adapter converter like this, where you can take a USB-A and convert it to USB-C by putting it in there. So figure out what you need first, and that way you have the right cable. Now, once you identify you have the right cable, all you do is first thing is just connect it one end to your Android phone, and then you take the other end and you connect it to your hard drive. So make sure it's connected, and sometimes the newer hard drive might have a light blinking to indicate it's on, so make sure it is on. Now, once it is on, really simple from there on, we need to access our hard drive. How do we do that? We need to go use an app which is already on our Android phone. It's going to be My Files app. So you're going to look for Files app or My Files, and then go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you're going to see here is basically storage devices that are external, and you should see one that pops up for hard drive, and it'll show up right here. And I can see here USB storage, which is my hard drive. And once you click on it, you'll see all of your files or folders or anything you have, and you can save things by moving it over or copying it out from it as well with the different navigation. And the last thing I recommend whenever you're done with it is clicking on the three dots here and ensuring that you unmount. That way your file doesn't get corrupted and it's properly removed after you're done. Very important step. Sometimes you may miss. It might be fine, but usually a safe thing to do. But that's how you can go ahead and connect your external hard drive to your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.